What tile is better for shower floor? In the quest for the ideal shower floor tile, both functionality and aesthetics play crucial roles. The right choice not only elevates the look of your bathroom, but also ensures safety, durability, and ease of maintenance. The tiles considered to be best for shower floors are porcelain tiles due to their durability, water resistance, and low maintenance requirements. They offer a balance of practicality and aesthetic appeal, making them a popular choice for modern bathrooms. This video, drawing on in-depth knowledge and first-hand experience, will guide you through selecting the best tile for your shower floor, considering various materials, designs, and practical needs. Considerations for choosing shower floor tiles. Durability and safety. Tiles for shower floors need to withstand constant moisture, temperature changes, and foot traffic. Additionally, safety is a major concern. Tiles should offer good slip resistance to prevent accidents. Maintenance and cleaning. Some tiles require more maintenance than others. Considering how easy tiles are to clean and maintain over time is essential for a lasting, fresh-looking shower. Aesthetic appeal. The look of your shower floor can significantly impact the overall bathroom design. Tiles come in various colors, patterns, and textures, allowing for customization according to personal taste. Water resistance. A key feature of shower floor tiles is water resistance. Tiles should be able to repel moisture effectively to prevent mold and mildew growth. Types of tiles for shower floors. When selecting tiles for shower floors, it's crucial to choose materials that are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also practical in terms of safety, durability, and maintenance. Ceramic tiles. Advantages: cost-effective, versatile designs, and easy to cut and install. Disadvantages: less durable and slippery when wet. Porcelain tiles. Advantages: durability, low water absorption, and variety of finishes. Disadvantages: cost and harder to cut and install. Natural stone tiles. Advantages: unique aesthetic and adds value. Disadvantages: maintenance and cost. Mosaic tiles. Advantages: slip resistance and decorative potential. Disadvantages: cleaning and cost. Pebble tiles. Advantages: natural look and foot massage. Disadvantages: cleaning challenges and comfort. Cost considerations. When planning a bathroom renovation or updating a shower floor, understanding the cost considerations associated with different types of tiles is essential. Tile prices. Ceramic tiles, generally the most cost-effective option. Porcelain tiles, priced slightly higher due to increased durability. Natural stone tiles, at the higher end of the price spectrum. Mosaic tiles, price varies widely. Pebble tiles fall in the mid to high range. Installation costs. Installation costs can vary significantly based on your location, the complexity of the job, and the experience level of the installer. Additional materials. Grout and sealant. The cost of grout and sealant needs to be considered. Preparation materials. Additional materials such as backerboard, waterproofing membranes, or leveling compounds may be required. Tools and equipment. If you're planning a DIY installation, you may need to purchase or rent specific tools. The optimal tile choice for shower floors. Choosing the right tile for your shower floor involves considering factors like durability, safety, maintenance, aesthetic appeal, and cost. Whether you prefer the natural beauty of stone, the versatility of ceramic, or the durability of porcelain, there's a tile option to suit every preference and budget.